You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with finding the midpoint between 2 points. The midpoint between the 2 points is 9,42. Let's solve it step by step. Plot the 2 points and calculate the midpoint using the formula. The coordinates of point 1 are x1 equals -16, y1 equals -9. The coordinates of point 2 are x2 equals 34, y2 equals 93. PM represents the midpoint of the 2 points. Use the x values in the midpoint formula to find the midpoints x. x1 equals -16. x2 equals 34. Simplify the arithmetic. Use the y values in the midpoint formula to find the midpoints y. y1 equals -9. y2 equals 93. Simplify the arithmetic. And so, the midpoint is 9,42.